Question 8. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find the 29th term. A3 is equal to 12 and A50 is equal to 106. A3 means A plus 2D is equal to 12. Equation first. A50 means A plus 49D is equal to 106. Equation number 2. Subtract equation first from equation second. Equation second, A plus 49D is equal to 106. First number equation, A plus 2D is equal to 12. Subtraction, then sign change, plus A minus A cut. 49D minus 2D, 47D is equal to 106 minus 12. Subtraction is 94. D is equal to 94 divided by 47. 47 ones are 47 twos are 94. D is equal to 2. Putting in equation first. Equation first is A plus 2D is equal to 12. A plus 2 into D value 2 is equal to 12. A plus 2 to the 4 is equal to 12. A is equal to 12. Transfer 4 get minus 4. A is equal to 8. A29 is equal to A plus 28D. A8 plus 28 into D is 2. 8 plus 28 to the 56 is equal to addition 64.